Hello YouTube, this is Nightfall, and today is a little bit of a different video.
Okay folks, I'll be talking. This is Nightfall and I'm Nightfall's father. And what we're working on today is this little Polaris Ranger Crew, this 6x6 4-wheel drive. And what we have here, as you can see, the floorboard is cracked here around the outside. And that's because whoever put the bolts in before probably over-torqued them and cracked them. Could have been just from people stepping on there and the stress. So I figured, myself and Nightfall figured, what's the best way to fix this? Well, I figured we run up to Home Depot and get some angle iron here. And I made 4 of those. Drilled 3 holes, cut it off there. So now what we'll do is we'll put this right over there like that. Of course they're going to be painted. We're just fitting them right now. But this will all be painted. So basically, that'll be real nice. And won't crack anymore. I have them for all 4 sides. Really cleans it up quite a bit. Show you the other side. Okay, here we have the other side in the back. Same difference. They're all going to be the same. And of course that one there. I'll go ahead and turn the camera over to Nightfall and he'll tell you some more.
As you can see, it is a 2009 Polaris Ranger Crew 4x4. It has a 700cc twin-cylinder fuel-injected engine. There is the rear differential with an electric locker. That is right there for the belt of the CVT transmission. Here's under the hood. There's not much to see, just a battery, a master cylinder for the brakes, and air intakes. There's the cap for the radiator. It's a liquid-cooled engine. If you look in here real closely, you can see the radiator. The front also has an electric locking differential. Right there's an LED light bar. It holds 6 full-grown adults, front and back. Stay tuned for upcoming videos because I'm going to help my dad install a stereo and 4 speakers. It has aftermarket wheels and tires. Here's a view of the back of the electronic locking differential. It also has 4-wheel disc brakes. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.